So you'll probably be doing a back paddle too.
Once you get in there.
Yeah, once you get in there. No. Go to the other side. I like the other side better. Because you're going to be on the side which is closer to the rocks. Give me a one forward paddle. So stop. I gotta go below this little fluffy things here which are all exposed rocks and then start pulling. Don't do forward paddle. Don't do a forward paddle. Hang on there. Still forward paddle. Hang on, no. Don't do anything crazy. Okay, back paddle again. Back paddle. Back paddle. Yeah. Stop. Now forward paddle. Forward. That's good. Stop. I made the perfect move, dude. It was just perfect. Move.
Yeah.
Now move forward. Not too many strokes. Just to get us past this so I can get past. Stop. Stop. Okay, now forward paddle. Just one stroke. Stop. That's the current technique. I want to go all the way down, dude. This is... Yeah, see, I can't even get there yet. Those are not accessible eddies. Yeah, we're gonna go around that. Stay right there, stay. I told them that hopefully they'll see that and they'll wait for us to go back there. Okay, this is definitely the most challenging rapid I have run by far. Okay, that's the eddy we want to go into. You saw the line, Vamshi? You recognize that?
Yeah.
You think you're going to be able to do it in a kayak?
I can do it in a kayak.
Yeah. Okay, come on, pull up. Oh, fuck. I gotta tell you,
Good.
I was more nervous than I was when I ran my first class 5. Way more nervous than that. Holy fuck. Oh my god, I was nervous. This is not going to be something that Sri Tata sees.